Hello everyone, I hope you had a great week. Today we'll be going over using the previous daily candle as confluence for the next day. You can use this either for profit taking if there is a reason to enter, or just to build a general bias. At first we'll be strictly only using that, so which of course would be maybe low probability, but later on we'll be going on to FX replay to merge all of our understanding to then build a higher probability strategy. So if we pick any day on TradingView, staying on only the daily time frame. So on the Wednesday, we failed to close below the Tuesday low. So for Thursday, my first target would be the Wednesday high. On Wednesday, we took out the high and we closed below, on Thursday, we took out the high and closed below the Wednesday low, ignoring liquidity again. Our first target would be the Thursday low. Okay, Thursday low taken. Next target would be Friday low. Friday low taken. And you can see this inefficiency here, so maybe it'll go down. Well, actually, we can see that we've taken both the low and the high. So I'd wait for the next candle to paint a better picture. Okay, so we closed above this high. So our next target would be this high. We've hit that high, failed to close above. So our next target would be this low. Inside day, so this is where it fails to take both. You typically see these on a Monday. So we closed below this low and we failed to close above this high. So my next target would be this low for the following week. And we closed below this low, ignoring liquidity. Our target would be this low. Okay, inside day, so I'm waiting for price to take either one of these and then develop a better understanding. So you can see we've hit that target, close below there. So for the next day, our target is there if there is a reason to be in short. And we close below, and so on and so forth. So if we go into FX replay now, doing a top-down analysis, our weekly structure is bullish, this being the high, this being the low. We're distributing down quite heavily, and we haven't really hit discount yet, so perhaps price wants to go to this low. So our overall bias is longs long term, but yeah, H4 has rolled bearish, so I'll be seeking this low here. We are testing this fractal low, structure low even, and you can see on the Wednesday we closed below the Tuesday low, so our first target would be the Wednesday low. You can see we opened, went above, hit the target, but now we have to merge all of our understanding to know that longs is still higher probability than shorts, since we've run into a higher time frame key area. So we've got inception here, and this is also good because we haven't hit any premium on the H4. So of course you could be long from here and you can target the previous day's high, as we know that our bias is longs. right? So you can be long from in here, but I prefer to wait till the 9:30 play, because I've been wicked out many times and know it's just best to wait for that. So if we skip till 9:30. Okay, so we've taken out this low. So this is kind of like more support inside this area, which is high confluence. If we do get a reason to long, your stop loss can be below here if you want to be more conservative. If you want to be a bit more aggressive or confident, your stop loss can be below here, and your target can be up here to the draw. So that's the previous day's high. Okay, so 9:30 is down here. We've created this LP here on the 5-minute. Maybe we can create this LP here. It's just sideways for now. Possible contraction, expansion. So you can see the 9:30 move wick down below. So now that I've seen the 9:30 move happen, I'll be confident in longing, because I know that it was manipulation and distribution, not manipulating outside of this area. So I can enter long here. I want to be aggressive, so my stop loss is going to be there. So the 5-minute LP is about to be created. So my entry is going to be here. Using the breaker structure, and my target is going to be all the way to the previous daily candle's high, knowing that my overall bias is longs and we've had inception. So that's that. I'm going to place my limit. Okay, so we're tagged in there. And I'm gonna work my way up to see if there's anything higher time frame to take me out. You can aim for your standard 2R, you can leave the whole position. I definitely recommend, for me personally, that 2R works better, and then maybe leaving 10% targeting a higher time frame key area. Okay, so we've created this 15-minute version, so now we can go into the H1 version and maybe wait for this to break. Okay, so we closed above, so that's good. Now we can go into the H4, see if we respect these gaps here. Okay, so we're going above. What's the daily candle looking like? Okay, so we've got that daily raid. So on the next day, my target can be here. But for this position, my target is still there. So if we skip to the next New York session, it's weekly. Okay, so we've hit that target, and I'm just going to play a couple of candles. Okay, so yeah, so that's 13R. That's one challenge in one day, using the previous day's candle as confluence. So yeah, that's all I wanted to go through today. If you have any questions, just give me a message and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.